Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That one felt good.
Oh. Oh. Hold on. You okay there? Yeah, one more. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Hold it. What?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna pull your whole hip, okay? How's that pressure? Oh. I don't know about this one. Let's do the toes. Yeah, you got your hip in there. Oh. I'm gonna bring this arm back. Relax your shoulder. Oh, yeah. Maintaining movement for the cervical spine. There you go. Describe to me that left hip of yours. It's a little different.
A little bit.
That's funny. That's great. How's the neck doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got a little bit more treatment for you in the other room, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Oh no.